What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can go about entering a link in Excel that whenever you click it, it will open up a new Excel sheet. So to do this, first, you're going to just press Control K to insert a hyperlink like you normally would, right? And then the third option right here says Create New Document. So whenever you click on the link, it will create a new document, you create a new Excel file. So first, you want to look at the text to display. This is just basically the text that shows whenever for the hyperlink itself. So let's just say new document, for example. Next, you can click the name of the document. So whatever you want the document to be named. So I want to say maybe new Excel file. So it's just the name of the document. You can select. You can then also go about changing the file path to have it saved wherever you want it to be saved. And you can also select when to edit, so have the document edited now, later, or have it edited now. You can also adjust the screen tip. So the screen tip just basically being whenever you highlight over the link, what it shows. So I'm going to say, so you can just type hello for an example, and then click OK. And then now, when we have a link that says new document, and whenever I highlight over it, it says hello. Whenever I click on it, a new Excel file is made. We might get an error like it did initially that says, should Excel trust this? And just either click OK, or you can go to your trust center settings and adjust that. So adjust your trust settings so that link will pop up. Hope you found this useful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.